Hey buddy, I'm Jake. He's Riley. Now let's get started with today's thing. That's right. We're going with a Cardo Packtalk on this. Riley and I got tired of not being able to hear each other, talk to each other, do whatever on the trails, you know, go the wrong way. Hey, that sucks. So, got the double box, brought my helmet over. We're gonna at least temporarily throw these in. I'm not sure which helmet I'm gonna put it in. Not positive yet, right? I got 2 helmets. One's for snowmobile and one's for regular riding, summer riding. But, so we're gonna see how these work, test them, drive around, tool around on his property a little bit, see if we can still talk to each other, and hopefully it's amazing. So, yeah, we're gonna do that. Okay, so we're gonna do a little unboxing here. Nice box. Oh, I ripped it. Shit. Shoot. Open. Ooh. That's some good packaging. Okay. Yes, stickers.
You don't have that sticker now.
They only sent only one sticker?
Yeah.
Oh no. Okay, Cardo app. That's seems pretty easy. 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 100 seconds. Okay, we got speakers. Yeah, I don't know why I came out here, Dad. Looking at all this stuff. Okay, little talk dongle, microphone dongle. Assume this is for charging. No, yep, just a regular charging cord, like huh? Yeah, like all the smartphones use. So that looks like the piece that goes on the helmet. That'll go on the side of the helmet. Those are your audio ins. Okay. Okay, a little microphone. Gotcha. So then that'll be on the side of your helmet forever. Oh boy, it's magnetic too. Look at that. Ah, that's pretty slick. Did you know that? It's magnetic.
No.
Yeah. I don't know how to get it off though.
I'm surprised you didn't do this inside.
I thought about it, but then you were out here, so.
Now I'm showing my messy ass garage.
Yeah, I know. Ah, the little microphone. That'll just probably stick on the front of my
Right in your face.
mouth box. Hey, provide nice alcohol wipes and everything for it. Different ear pads. Okay. Yeah. We want to go inside and put these on? Okay, so we might go in and work on these for a second. Get back to you. Okay, a little update. We're pairing with it and updating it. These I'm not even gonna try to read these. Cardo. Why? Anyways, get back to you when this is done. Okay guys, we got them. Look, they're in here. You can't see. There's stuff in here. Look, Riley's got his little mouthpiece going. And I can hear him coming through on my headphones when he talks. Yeah, he's got his up in there too. I got mine somewhere over here. We're gonna go just kind of drive around on his property a little bit and talk to each other. See how it works. I'm just gonna go put your house in the front. You're coming through pretty clear. Are you headed that way? Out towards the woods? I'm at the road right now. Yeah, I'm starting to get a little scratchy, but not bad. Not bad though. That's still pretty good. I'm coming. I mean, that's probably farther away than we would normally get from each other. Once it started breaking up, I just started coming back. But right, because you figure how far out you were. If there was somebody in between us, we should be technically hearing just fine. What do you mean a high-speed test? Okay. I don't know. I don't think it will, but I doubt it. Broom, 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 broom. Yep. Me too. I got you coming in loud and clear. Don't? Okay. I'm going straight. Really hit the stick. Oh, there you are. Yeah, I can see this working pretty good for us, though. Whoa! I think so too. Being able to talk is sweet too. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah, I think
Looks pretty dandy.
yeah. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It'll be a little bit of just minor tweaking, but I think it works. So when we're ripping, we'll be able to talk to each other. Doesn't really do a lot for you guys. Like, it doesn't benefit you a lot, I don't think, but unless I can figure out a way to record my voice on it.
Guarantee you can.
Think so?
I guarantee you can.
Okay, well, we got to work on that then. But something cool, something new. If you guys are interested in intercoms, Cardo Packtalk seems to work. Not sponsored. Wish I was. But that's it for today's thing. See you guys on the next one.
Deuces.